Excuse me. Ready? I did, which is the pink and the blue kind of a marbling, and either you can call it cotton candy nails. It feels like that, but I didn't even think it's a unicorn nails. It's so cute. And I add a little bit hint of glitter from a Blast of Colors collection glitter for new collection, and I did the shiny stars, shiny sky, in pink and blue colors. That's how you see a look of it. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds, and these beautiful nails are completely done. You can put crystal on if you like to. I'm using a little piece of papers and paper towels. I am gonna wipe it. If you're doing a client's nail, the same thing. You're gonna wipe it on the side to keep the shape nice and precise. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds.